Gondor cereal bars, production line. Oat bar. Puffed cereal bar. Puffing treatment of raw materials. Uniform heating and rapid boiling. Heating evenly. Mix the syrup and materials evenly. Anti-stick mixing hopper. Mix evenly and accurately with ingredients. Automatic tracking cutting structure. The cutting speed is adjustable. Automated production system. Log-in green nutrition. Fully auto-positioning seal cutting. Support customizing various packaging films. Finished product display. Puffed cereal bar, oat bar. Client feedback.
Eh bien les amis, qu'est-ce que vous avez dit? Bien ou bien que j'enlève les sachets, vous allez voir.